Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you love scoring great deals and earning rewards, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to use Temu's referral program to earn rewards that you can use for free products or even cash back. Let's jump right into it. First of all, locate the referral program. Open the Temu app and head to your profile by clicking me or you icon at the bottom. Look for a section that says referral referral or win reward or something similar, right? It's usually highlighted or easy to spot. Okay, once you're in, you will see unique referral link, or you're gonna see the rewards that you can claim from, right? And you can tap it to copy the referral or use the share button to send it directly to your friends through text, social media, or email. And the more you share, the more opportunities you have to earn. Okay, and encourage friends to join. When your friends click on your link and sign up, they will often get welcome bonus or discount. And when they make their first purchase, you will earn rewards, and you're gonna see it here in the reward section, like credits or cash, depending on the Temu's current promotion, right? And basically, if you want to redeem your rewards for discount on future purchases or cash out, if that's an option, make sure to check the items, right? And the minimum threshold for cashing out or expiration dates for credit, you're gonna find it if at checkout. So you're gonna go and buy this product, for example, or add it to cart. You're gonna see in your cards right here by clicking last chance checkout at the bottom right, and you're gonna be able to see your minimum threshold for cashing out or expiration date for that credits. You're gonna find it somewhere somewhere at the checkout. So that's it. Temu's referral program is super easy and a great way to earn rewards just by sharing the app with your friends. If you have you've been given a referral code, make sure that you share with other people. You're gonna find it on you, right? You're gonna find it somewhere right here by earning rewards, by claiming rewards, or meeting certain requirements. You can see right here coupons and offers, right? This is also a place that you can use coupons presented by Temu to buy certain products. Okay, so basically you can apply those coupon codes presented by Temu app, and you're gonna be able to see the referral code at earned credits or free gifts if they provided it. In my case, I don't have it, but in your case, you probably would if you're a constant user of Temu. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on saving money and finding great deals. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.